is the Iron Trader. It is Tuesday morning. Now, yesterday on Monday, we had a stock holiday. So the API will not be tonight. It'll be tomorrow at 4:30. And then your EIA report will be on Thursday at 11 a.m. Today, as usual, we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have the crude oil daily chart. So today so far, we have a nice higher high. We got three green candles. Okay, so let's look at the support. So what we want to look at here first is your key 21 SMA. That's sitting at 71.09. And then what we want to do is look at this 8 SMA here. You're sitting at 70.13. Those are going to be your key levels of support. And then if that's lost, then we go to the top of this candle right here. You're looking at 69.83. Then we'll look here. You're looking at 68.14. And then we come all the way down here. You're looking at 67.15. And then your big retest area here is 66.80. So right now, your double bottom off of this candle here is holding up really, really nice. Now, we have to look at this price channel, though. See what we have? You got 74.73 on the top and 66.80 on the bottom. So you got a real nice trading channel here. So on the upside, what you want to do, obviously, just watch today's high so far. You got 72.38. And then we come up to here. Let's just keep on cranking all the way up on all these candles right here. Okay, so what we look here is you got 73.19. You're looking here, you're looking at 73.28. And then your big target here is going to be this 50 SMA right there. You're sitting at 73.65. If we can get above, then we have your 100 SMA sitting at 74.69, right along with your price channel sitting at 74.73. That would be your target. Now, if it can get above, then we look here to this candle right here. So you're looking at 76.11. Okay, we have this candle here. You're looking at 76.69. And then we have 77.93. And then what we're looking here is your 78.42. That's your 200 SMA. That is going to be your target. Okay, now what I just don't really like about this is your 200-day is not flattening off at all. Your same way with your 100 SMA and your 50 SMA. So we need these to have these curl up, and then that way it'll take the price right on up. So right now, just watch this key price channel here at 74.73, 66.80, and then on the upside, the target is going to be this 50 SMA here at 73.65. All right, let's take a look here on the old weekly and the monthly chart. Okay, on your monthly chart, you can see right here where you're just going right between this key 50 SMA here. Okay, you're sitting at 66.11, and you're looking at this 200 SMA sitting at 72.74. So you're trading right in between. If you can get above that 200 SMA, your target is going to be this 8 SMA here at 76.09. Now, on this weekly chart here, this is looking pretty good here. You're holding this key level here. This is the key. It's 67.46. That's your 200 SMA. Obviously, if that's lost, then we just come down to this candle here. You're looking at 65.38, 64.36, and then your big retest here of your price channel is going to be 63.64. Now, if this 8 SMA here, see how it's trying to roll up, it needs to cross above that 21 SMA, and that would take the price right on up. So always watch this key 8 SMA. You're sitting at 71.51, and then your target up here is going to be your 21 sitting at 74.46. And then obviously if we can close above, then we look at the top of these candles right here. Okay, you're looking at 76.69. You're looking at 79.18, and then your big target there is 80.54. That's your 50 SMA here. Now you can see how this is rolling back over again here. If it comes out, it needs to at least flatten out or curl up here, and then take that price up higher. That's what we'll be looking for. Now, what we do have here is there is hurricanes building up here very early in the season here now. So now remember, hurricanes are absolutely terrible for people, but they're very good for traders, okay, on the long side for crude and natural gas. So always keep that in mind. All right, let's take a look here at the old natty gas. All right, here we have natty gas here on your daily chart. Now, the key is going to be this price channel like I've been pointing out here. Okay, so your top is 2.685, your bottom is 2.136. Now, on natural gas, so far it got up to 2.696, so it's a higher high. The key is it needs to close over. If it can close over that price channel there, then we start looking here to the left of these candles on what our targets are going to be. So then what we have here is you got 2.83, you got 2.86, and this would be the top of this candle is what I'd be looking for. And that's sitting at 3.027. Okay, so that would be the target if you can close above this key 2.68 level. Now, on the downside, you can see where the 8 SMA is curling up here. So you want to look here at that 8 SMA here at 2.42. Then we go to the 100 SMA sitting at 2.36. And then we have your 21 SMA sitting at 2.36. And then we have at the bottom there, you have your 50 SMA here sitting at 2.29. Those would all be your key levels there of support. All right, let's take a look here now on a 1 hour and a 4 hour. Okay, here's your 1 hour chart, and then there's your 4 hour chart. Okay, so you can see how this is rallying up here nice, and you're holding these key levels here. So what you want to do is look at this 8 SMA. You're sitting at 2.67, and we'll look at this 21 SMA here. Okay, you're sitting at 2.65. Now you can see where it made the higher high here, and if you can keep on creeping up here, this would be a very, very good sign for this to be bullish and just run much higher. Now, again, if that 21 is lost, then we look over here to your 50-day. You're sitting at 2.61, and then your retest here is sitting at 2.59. Now, here on your 4 hour chart, you can see where your high is there at sitting at 2.685. You made a higher high today, but the key is closing. But what you don't want to do is have this close below that, and this could be a possible double top in play. So always watch your 1 hour, 4 hour here. It gives you a little bit quicker look here. You know, if you're scalping natural gas, look at a tick chart, a 1 and a 5 minute. So let's look here now on a daily and a weekly and a monthly. Okay, here we have your weekly chart here. Now you can see how these SMAs are curling up here real nice here. So you have your 8 SMA here sitting at 2.39. And you have your 21 sitting at 2.37. So your 8 SMA is trying to curl above and beyond. That's always a very positive sign. So then what you want to do is look to your price channel there. You're sitting at that 3.027, which is basically this candle right here, okay? That is going to be your target like I pointed out on the daily. Now, if we can get above, this is the big target that I'm looking for here if this thing starts breaking out running, which would be 3.75. That is going to be your 200 SMA, and that's going to be strong resistance. But I think it can get up there if it starts to rallying here. And then your next level would be 4.77, your key 50 SMA here. Now, on your monthly chart, really nice sideways action here. Okay, so if it can start breaking above these candles, then your target there is basically 3.25. That's your 100 SMA here. That's going to be a good target. And then we have your 50-day sitting at 3.68. Always watch your weekly and your monthly. That gives you more of a longer term look. You know what I'm saying? When you're taking a big, more of a wide range look. All right, I'll have more for this on crude oil and natural gas after pit close at 2:30. Thanks for watching.